I have an oil leak started on the main shaft coming out of my engine on my EXMARK lazerZ 60 lawnmower. What parts do I need and how in-depth of repair is it? Thank you. That seal back clear out. I pushed it in with a pry bar, just so I could get it back to the shop. Am I missing a part or what exactly holds that seal in place?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. The seal just presses in, it has nothing holding it in place but the friction of the outer section when it is driven in. It just prys out, you will have to remove the pulleys to get to it.
Do you have a part number for the seal?
I need the engine model number. The mower model does not identify the engine.
Engine info.
2503206S is the rear oil seal. https://www.partstree.com/models/ch2376524 Kohler Command Pro Twin Engine made for MTD 23 horsepower 17.2 kW.
Is this a common problem or pretty rare?
Not common, but does happen. And with the new seal in place, you can use a punch to upset the aluminum housing to help keep it in place. Or try that with the existing seal, to see if it will stay.
Do I need to take off the PTO clutch?
You will if you replace the seal.
What did you mean upsetting the aluminum housekeeping?
Use a sharp-pointed punch to make dimples in the seal housing, which upsets the surface and make the hole smaller so the seal is held in place.
Okay, that's what I figured. Just wanted to make sure.
Okay.
Could you please help me with part numbers for inner air filter, outer air filter, oil filter? Also, what weight of oil should I use?
https://www.partstree.com/models/ch2376524 Kohler Command Pro Twin Engine made for MTD 23 horsepower 17.2 kW.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.